All right, so we're gonna take a look at this privacy screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and unbox it, see what all comes inside, and then we'll show you the installation process. All right, so you're gonna get a wet wipe as well as a dry wipe and a dust absorber so that you can clean the screen before the installation. You're getting 2 privacy screen protectors, and then you're also getting 2 camera lens protectors. So let's go ahead and clean the screen and apply the screen protectors. So first we're going to take the wet wipe and use that and just go all around the screen, and then we'll follow it up with the dry cloth just to dry it off, and then we're going to use this dust absorber to make sure that there's no lint or debris left on the screen. All right, so then we're going to grab our screen protector and we're going to remove the plastic film, and we're just very carefully going to line it up with the screen and put it in place. All right, so there we have it. The screen protector is in place, and you can see from a straight on angle we can still see our screen no problem, still use it with no problem. It's great for security reasons if you're looking at maybe some confidential information, maybe something that you don't want everybody else to see, and you're in a public place, then this is going to be, a good option. So again, you can see it straight on as if you're using your phone, but turn it slightly this way, slightly that way. It makes it a lot harder to see. And then we also have the camera lens protector. So if you want, you can install that as well. So let's go ahead and remove the film, and we can go ahead and line it up and just stick it right in place. And there it is. So you have a little bit more protection for your cameras as well.